Hello everyone, I am Divya nycil, working as an assistant professor, EEE department from ARUNACHALA College of Engineering for Women. The topic I am going to present is Unit 1, Renewable Energy Resources. The topic to be covered are energy, commercial energy and non-commercial energy, renewable energy and non-renewable energy, environmental consequences of fossil fuel usage. Energy. Energy is defined as the ability of system to cause external action. Some form of energy is mechanical energy, electrical energy, chemical energy, nuclear energy and solar energy. The ability to perform work becomes visible by force, heat and light. The ability to perform work from chemical energy, nuclear energy and solar energy is only given if these forms of energy are transformed into mechanical or thermal energy. Commercial and non-commercial energy. Commercial energy means they are available in the market for a fixed price. The well-known example is electricity, coal, oil, natural gas, etc. Non-commercial energy. They are not available in the commercial market for a price or classified as non-commercial energy. Examples are firewood, agro waste from rural areas, solar energy for water heating, electricity generation for drying grain, fish and fruits, etc. Renewable energy. Renewable energy means energy from a source that is not depleted when used. Examples of renewable energy is wind power, solar power, geothermal energy, tidal energy and hydroelectric power. The most important features of renewable energy is that it can be harnessed without the release of harmful pollution. Non-renewable energy. These energy are renewable sources that will deplete over a lifetime. It includes fossil fuel such as coal, oil and gas which are likely to deplete with a particular period of time. Then next one, advantages and disadvantages of energy sources. Fossil fuel advantages is provide a large amount of thermal energy per unit of mass. Easy to get and easy to transport. Can be used to generate electrical energy and make product such as plastic. In fossil fuel, some of the disadvantages are non-renewable, burning produces smoke, burning coal releases substances that can be cause acid precipitation, risk of oil spills. Next one is nuclear energy, very concentrated form of energy. Power plant do not produce smoke. This is the major advantage of nuclear energy. Disadvantages are produces radioactive waste. Radioactive elements are non-renewable. Third one, solar energy. Advantages are limitless source of energy. Next one, does not produce air pollution. Disadvantages are expensive to use for large scale energy protection. Next point, only practical in sunny areas. Next energy is water. Advantages are renewable, does not produce air pollution. Disadvantages in dam disturb a river ecosystem available only in area that have rivers. Next energy, wind energy. Advantages, renewable, relatively inexpensive to generate, does not produce air pollution. Only one major disadvantage is only practical in windy areas. Geothermal energy, almost limitless source of energy. Power plant require little land. Disadvantages are only practical areas near hotspot. Second one is wastewater can damage soil. Last one is biomass energy. Advantages renewable. Disadvantages are requires large area of farmland. Last point is produces smoke. Next one, environmental effect of fossil fuel consumption. That means when fossil fuel use, what are the effect that can affect the environment and human life. Fossil fuel, which include coal, natural gas, petroleum, shale oil, are the main sources of heat and electrical energy. All these fossil fuel contain the major constituents of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. These gases combined with another to produces acid and gases, which is more harmful for human being. Environmental problem associated when the usage of fossil fuel. Three major problems are there. One, air pollution. Second one, acid rain. Third one, greenhouse effect. Air pollution. Air pollution means it is the mixture of solid particles and gases in the air. Air pollution is caused by emission of toxic gases such as SO2, NOx. X denotes the different composition of nitrogen and carbon monoxide together with fly ash and suspended particles. How to reduce the air pollution means it is the simplest and cheapest way of alleviating localized air pollution is to build high chimney stacks so that some of the fumes are transported elsewhere. The pollutants do not simply vanish in the sky, however, and this practice leads to more intractable problems of acid rain. Second effect is acid rain. Acid rain means rainfall made so acidic by atmospheric pollution that is causes environmental harm. The main cause is the industrial burning of coal and other fossil fuels, the wastage gases from which contain sulfur and nitrogen oxide, which combine with atmospheric water to form acids. The ability of forest to absorb CO2 and hence differ the greenhouse effect. It is thus reduced by pollution from those same fuels that emit the CO2. Acid rain is the natural process that warms the earth's surface when the sun energy reaches the earth's atmosphere. Reduction method is coal and high sulfur fuel oil are the worst offenders in producing acid rain, and considerable research is underway to develop clean coal. Third effect is greenhouse effect. It is the major environmental problem caused by fossil fuel is global warming or the greenhouse effect. The increasing concentration of carbon dioxide, methane, chlorofluorocarbons, nitrous oxide and ozone is the atmosphere is acting to trap heat radiated from the earth's surface and is rising the surface temperature of the earth. What you mean by greenhouse effect mean it is the natural process that warm the earth's surface. When the sun energy reaches the earth's surface, some of it is reflected back to the space and the rest is absorbed and radiated by greenhouse gases. The absorbed energy warms the atmosphere and the surface of the earth. This is called greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect causes by greenhouse gases. What do you mean by greenhouse gases means it is the gas that absorb and emits radiant energy within the thermal infrared range. Greenhouse gases are water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, etc. This is the pictorial representation how CO2 take 50% of other greenhouse gases. So CO2 contribute 50% greenhouse effect apart from other gases. Current expectation are that developing countries will the major contribute to the greenhouse effect. Great care is taken in planning their energy development to prevent this effect. Based on new technologies and high energy efficient equipment is in any case in the interest of the countries, since this entails the lower total capital investment that would the standard high energy using developing path. Thank you.